Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create link on your how to add link on your posts and post it on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click here, and now here we'll find this link icon, and here you can add your link, and that's it. Click next, and it will be posted. And that's it for today. That's how to add link on your posts on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.